Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Got a small quick install for you today, so we'll get straight into it. So the parts we're working with today are these door kick panels from Access Parts Japan, proudly supplied by our new distributor here in Australia, Jason. I'll put his link over here. Hit him up if you want anything like this as well. So included in the pack were the tweezers, 3M cleaning products for adhesion promotion and cleaning, and front and rear, left and right, of these door kick panels. So these door kick panels are finished in a carbon fibre weave pattern with red stitching, which will match the model of my car that we've got with the base interior. On the back they've got 3M tape all along the edging, as well as this large piece that's been cut to size to adhere onto the rest of the door panel. So we'll start on the rear of the car, start applying the first ones and see how we go. So I'm just going to start by cleaning each of the door panels where these panels will go. Included is a 3M cleaning cloth, so just go over the areas that the adhesion's going to need to go onto. So first step, we've already cleaned the panel up. We're going to take the adhesion promoter and just run it around the edge. This will promote sticking to the outside. And then I'm just going to come across to the middle and work my way back across. I'm going to continue this on all the other panels and see how, then come back. I'm going to continue this on all the other panels and then come back to finish this panel off. Now the adhesion promoter's had some time to work. I'm going to take our piece and carefully peel off some of this backing piece as well as some of this edge tape. This will allow me to start positioning it and lining it up. I'll probably work bottom to top so I can get the bottom edge aligned properly, starting in this corner. Having peeled that first piece off, I'm going to try and line up this bottom corner. Okay, having fought with it for a little while to line it up along the bottom edge, I've got it in a place where I'm reasonably happy with. From here, I'm going to peel it back slightly and start peeling off all this backing, and then additionally, we're going to peel off this top section and try and pull it up and stick it across one piece at a time. So we'll start at the front and work our way back. There we go, we have the front piece installed. I reckon this is almost akin to working with vinyl. So as you go along, you just have to push out the air bubbles and keep it aligned. So I highly recommend being either very competent with vinyl or being very competent with stickering, and this may not be the mod for you. I'll peel off this back section and continue working along. We'll now start working from front to back, and I'll show you the final result shortly. And there we go, the first one is installed. I'm not entirely happy with my fit on this back edge because the edge does get quite a bit thicker and sits a bit higher than where I originally anticipated it. So I may just go back through and try and reposition this bottom edge slightly as it starts peeling away quite early. This may just be because I've got it right on the edge of the front here. But overall, I love the look, and it's going to protect the plastic underneath. It does wrap around a little bit into the cup holder area as well. So I'll move on to the front and show you the results there. And there we have the front kick plate in, or the front kick protection panel in. Once again, I'm not 100% happy with the fit. It does fit pretty well around the front, and then because of the way the door goes, it gains this little bit of a lip around the back again. Along the top, it doesn't look too bad, but it does blend in with the rest of the car quite nicely now with this black and red trim. So I'll continue on with the rest of the car, and I'll show you the final result shortly. So that's all I've got for you on this one, guys. If you like this install, I've got a lot more small part installs coming up. So please make sure to like and subscribe to follow along with those smaller installs. And don't forget, I've also got parts 2, 3 and 4 of the suspension upgrades coming up. You might actually be able to see some parts sitting behind me right now. So those will be going on the car very shortly. So keep an eye out. And that's all I've got. See you in the next one.